implementation of the reservation, my lord.
That's all right. We said, please let this exam go through, appear in the next examination.
I am not saying that the whole exam is to be cancelled.
Of course it will be cancelled.
No, my lord. What my prayer is, my lord, may kindly appreciate, my lord. What is my prayer, my lord, that the only the posts which are in which, my lord, the appointment order has not been issued till today, my lord.
We are conscious it is not issued because of pendency
My
of
lord,
all these proceedings.
My lord, the post which are shows as advertisement, which was rectified because of the, my lord, the दिव्यांग के reservation के लिए एक बार rectify हो चुका है. I am saying that, my lord, it may be rectified. That
Again, so that again there is a round of litigation to the Supreme Court, result never happens and nobody gets appointment for 5 years.
There is illegality in this advertisement, my lord.
How many
If
seats
it is
are,
corrected,
please
my
tell
lord,
us, how much difference will this illegality make?
My lord,
कितनी सीटों का फर्क पड़ेगा?
सर
Tell us.
इसमें टोटल सर अनुसूचित जाति की 9 सीट दी हैं, 12 सीट हो जाएंगी. अनुसूचित जनजाति की 12 दी हैं, 15 हो जाएंगी. और अन्य पिछड़ा वर्ग के लिए 9 दिए, 11 हो जाएंगे.
टोटल कितनी है?
टोटल सर 7 पोस्ट.
टोटल सीट्स कितनी है पूरे एग्जाम में?
पूरे एग्जाम में सर टोटल 61 फ्रेश हैं और 138 बैकलॉग हैं.
200 सीटें का एग्जाम,
यस
सिर्फ ये 3 और एक भी क्वालिफाई नहीं कर रहा.
सर, बिकॉज दे हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड द रूल द इंग्लिश वर्जन.
एंड जो अनक्वालिफाइड है उसने चैलेंज नहीं किया.
मतलब द पिटीशन इज
अगर हम सीट बढ़ा, अगर सीट बढ़ा भी दें, क्वालिफाई तो कोई नहीं कर रहा ना.
मतलब द सेकंड
फायदा
पेज
क्या
दैट
होगा?
my lord that the as per the rules we say the Hindi version, my lord.
देयर इज नोबडी चैलेंजिंग हिज डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन. अब वो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टेड है भी कि कहीं और दूसरी स्टेट पे जुडिशरी में चले गए या वकालत में आ गए.
मतलब whatever is affected, my lord, but my lord, even my lord, may kindly see the mains result, my lord. Only 31 candidate has been selected and the total advertisement was for 200.
मिस्टर शाह, जो डिस्क्वालिफाइड हुआ 2022 में,
2022 में सर, 2024 में इसका एग्जाम हुआ है.
चलो 2024 में,
Yes.
वो तो चैलेंज नहीं कर रहा, इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं है. हम सीट बढ़ा के एग्जाम रोक दें
The exam should be stopped.
तो व्हाट विल हैपन? एग्जाम रिजल्ट विल नॉट बी डिक्लेयर्ड.
My lord,
We will do this. Either we decide in your favor or we decide against you. Either you will go in appeal or they'll go up in appeal.
but should be stopped.
So what will happen? Exam result will not be declared.
My lord,
We will do this. Either we decide in your favor or we decide against you. Either you will go in appeal or they'll go up in appeal.
but my humble
And
plea is
again
that, my
there'll
lord,
be a stay.
I have only 2 prayers, my lord. First, my lord, that the vacancy should be rectified as per the law, my lord. I am not saying that as per me, as per the law, my lord.
We are not going to do it at your behest. You have no locus standi.
Yes, yes.
You have no locus standi. We will not
I
do it.
accepted that, my lord. But- And the second contention is that, my lord,
Whatever may be the contention, they may have done any illegality, but because you have no locus, we are not going to interfere. Why should we interfere in this?
my lord,
Interested parties are not forthcoming.
my lord, in that respect, my lord, I have uploaded the judgment of the Supreme Court, my
That
lord,
the
in
affected parties don't want it, but you would want to spoil the game for
my
them.
lord, in the same civil judge Bharti, the PIL has been entertained, my lord.
May
kindly
have
see, my
been,
lord.
depends on facts and circumstances of a case.
My lord,
This is a case where examination is delayed by 3 years, because of which 3 subsequent examinations have not been held.
my lord, they should rectify at once when the petition is filed, my lord, in 2024, but they have not done, my lord. And my lord, their reply is that, may kindly appreciate, my lord, if the advertisement rectified, my lord, no one go to the litigation because, my lord, all unreserved candidates will be selected. Because, my lord, they all be selected. The selected candidate will be selected, my lord. Only 31 candidate have been called for interview, and it will not reduce, my lord. Reduce नहीं होगा, sir. My lord, may kindly see the advertisement, my lord. 31 posts and 9. Total 40 posts will be for unreserved.
Second, please answer the question. Wait for the question.
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
We reduce it to 55.
Yes, ma'am.
The person who's 56th in rank, will he not challenge it?
My lord, because they are not qualified for
No,
the
question is not because. Will he not challenge it? 3 rounds to Supreme Court. Supreme Court says expedited, and you challenge it on behalf of
They are
somebody.
not agreed because they are not selected, my lord. For the interview, only 31 candidates had been called. For the all categories, my lord, total.
Even general category.
Even general category, yes, my lord.
Yes, only 31.
And 31, my lord. Then one 40 posts of unreserved will be there, my lord. My lord,
Leave this question open. You see, all seats will not be filled.
Yes, my lord.
We will leave this dispute open because in any case these seats are not getting filled.
My lord, not filled, but my lord,
So we'll decide it in the next year examination in case they commit the same irregularity. Why should we spend time on this? Let the exam go through.
my lord, I am not saying the exam should be held, my lord. I am saying
It will
that-
get held up. It will get held up. It's been held up from two years because of one round or second round of litigation.
My lord, my humble prayer is, my lord.
You
my
see,
lord, that-
sometimes you have to take a more pragmatic view and let things go. We are not closing the issue that you are raising. You're saying raise it in the next examination.
My lord, if the vacancy is not rectified, my lord, then the post which mean to be the reserved category will be counted against the unreserved.
Are they going to be filled?
My lord, they are not going to be filled, but my lord,
Mr.
the,
Awasthi,
Yes, sir. No.
how many vacancies are there today?
Of course.
In the 2023 examination, how many posts are there for interview that you have placed for interview?
Only the 31 persons have been called for interview in this exam.
And how many vacancies are there?
47, sir. 47.
47.
Yes, sir.
Only 31 are invited for interview.
इस एग्जाम में कितने वैकेंसीज अभी
2020
195 टोटल है सर
199 टोटल सीट्स के लिए ये एग्जाम कंडक्ट हुई थी
और इसमें से 31
फॉर द इंटरव्यू यू आर कॉल्ड ओनली
31
हाउ मेनी
अच्छा आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज हैंडीकैप 79 नाउ इट इज रेक्टिफाइड टू 70
जनरल कैटेगरी में कितने हैं? कितनी सीट्स हैं?
बताइए सर टोटल वैसे 30 इसमें 5 ओबीसी और एक एससी है बस
Sorry?
बाकी अनरिजर्व 25 है सर जो that result was declared on 10/5/2024 unreserved at 25 OBC 5 SC 1 that is
ST 0 है sir.
बाकी सीटें कहाँ जा रही हैं? नहीं टोटल वो 25 सीटें बता रहे
ठीक है ठीक
हैं 60 है।
people qualified for and yes sir and the vacancy positions right